In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a perfectly aligned drawing using Sketchpad with a graph paper background. This method is perfect for when you want to structure your drawings with precision and clarity, making sure every line and shape is exactly where you want it. Let's dive in and get started. First, you're going to open your favorite web browser and navigate to Sketchpad app/en. This is a straightforward online tool that allows you to create beautiful drawings without the need to download any software. What's great about Sketchpad is its accessibility and ease of use, making it a go-to for both beginners and seasoned artists alike. Once the website is up, you'll see a clean interface welcoming you to begin your masterpiece. Next, you'll want to set up your workspace by opening the background menu. Now, this is quite easy to find. Simply look to the left toolbar and you should see a familiar plus sign icon. Click on this, and it will open up various background options for you to explore. Here's where you start customizing the foundation of your artwork. From the background options available, select Graph Paper. Graph paper is ideal for projects where you need a grid to help maintain alignment or for works that require a more technical layout. Before finalizing your choice, you'll have the opportunity to arrange it to fit your canvas perfectly. Adjust the width and height according to your preference and screen size to make sure the grid suits the scope and scale of your drawing. Once you're satisfied with these adjustments, go ahead and click Create to set this as your background. With your graph paper backdrop ready, it's time to unleash your creativity. You can utilize the brush, shapes, or text tools, all conveniently located above the graph paper on the toolbar. These tools allow you to draw, construct precise shapes, or annotate your work with labels. The grid lines of the graph paper serve as your guide, ensuring that each element you place is neatly in line. But here's the best part. The graph background will not impose on your drawing, allowing your artwork to shine while providing you with the structure you need. That wraps up this guide on using graph paper and Sketchpad to bring structure and precision to your drawings. It's a simple yet immensely powerful way to elevate your artistic projects. With this newfound skill, you'll find creating illustrations to be not only more accurate but also more gratifying. So go ahead and start practicing. The more you work with these tools, the better and more creatively you'll be able to use them to bring your artistic visions to life. Thanks for joining me, and happy drawing!